Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to make this amazing Captain Minion. It is a imaginary character, the combination of Captain America and Minion. Here is the list of the material you will need to make it. We will start with the body. I have cutted 2.5 cm strip with blue color to make the model easier. You can also combine the regular coils. It will look like this after completing. Secure the end. So here I am using the automatic quilling tool. You can also use the simple quilling tool. Tight the coil properly. Now with the help of filling mold, we will give it a shape. We will need total 2 coils like this. Secure the shape by applying the glue. So now we will start with the hands. Now with the help of pencil, we will give it a shape like this to make a hand. Secure the end and pinch it from a side. Secure the shape and join both the parts. So I have made a bigger hand for the another hand with the shield. Bend it like this. Secure the shape and join both the parts. So now we will make eyes. With the help of punch, cut a small circle from brown paper. Glue it in the center of the coil. Now with the help of black permanent marker, make a small dot in the center. Now we will make the legs. Join both the parts. So I have made the coil similarly to make the shield. Give it shape properly. Secure the shape. Now join all the body parts similarly. Stick the eyes in the center. So now we will do the extra editing. First we will add a belt to it using a brown strip. Take the rough measurements and cut the extra part. Now we will take one red and one white strip and attach the red like this. Cut the extra part. Then leave some space and add the strip again. Cut the edge of red and white part and stick it to the body. With the belt to other side also. I have drawn letter A and star with the help of white pencil. Now I have cut a part like this and added the smile on it. Now I will stick this part to the body. I have cut a star shape to attach it on a shield. Stick it properly. take the shade to the hand. Let it dry for some time. Now we will add it to the base with the help of glue gun. So guys, here is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you like my ideas, subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.